Hi! In this tutorial we're going to learn how to add objects to a scene. Right now we have a background scene that's industrial, and I put a character in there who is inspecting a MacBook. Okay, very simple. Now she's comparing two items. So this item was added to the scene after the fact. You'll notice right here it's the Mac error. I can move it around, place it wherever I want, and I can also add other items to the scene. So let's add a gauge. Let's put it like right here, like it's part of the equipment. And you'll notice it's placed right where I have the playhead. I had the playhead at the end of the scene, so I put it at the end. But actually I would like it to be on there the whole time, so I'm going to move it over and then extend it. And let's see how it looks. So there it is. It looks like a gauge that's on the factory equipment. And then it just disappears at the end. Okay, so that's all you have to do is just find an object you want to add and then add it to the scene. Let's say we need some toxic chemicals in the scene, okay? So again, I'm going to want it at the beginning of the scene, so I would put my playhead where I want it to appear. Let's have it appear like at the 1 second mark. So here's our toxic chemicals. And let's stretch it because we want it to last. And here they come, toxic chemicals. And then it's going to start to go away. Boom. And how about some recycling bins? We can add that to the scene as well. And again, we can just place it wherever we want it to appear and adjust how long we want it to last. Okay, so I placed it on top of there. I don't think that's where I want it, so we'll put it right next to it. Maybe make it a little bigger. So there's our recycling bucket. Actually, let's put the recycling, we'll put it behind her. So I'm going to click the to the background button. So now she's standing slightly in front of it. Put it just a little bit there. And again, you can make your objects larger by clicking the green square in the right corner. You can also flip them, and eventually there will be some more settings here that you can adjust. Right now there aren't any, but that's the settings icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching.